Hey yo dude, you like magic?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'm gonna show you some really bizarre things, so keep your eyes open and look at this. This is a little stick, which is my favorite thing because when
So what is that stick?
Huh?
I mean, what the actual is that? Can you explain it more?
Yeah, you just a stick, dude. Anyway, I'll show you the back and forth, and when I shake it, boom! Now there's a little tiny jam.
Why did you make that jam?
Huh?
For what reason about it?
I'm gonna
Stick with the tiny jams on it? What's the point about that?
Cause it's just a magic, I guess.
Now, no more those situations. My name is Kelvin, the creator of the Minimalist Fry Pan. Back to the 2021, I released a pedal trick, which just looks exactly like keychain. And you know what? They all sold out immediately from the launch. And even the knockoff imitation Minimalist Fry Pan is gone so well. And here's a big shout out to the old school magic lovers. We bring the classic jumping jam trick into this project. Jumping jam is such a great visuality trick. And the design of the pedal is so handy to use, even the beginners. Shiny gem appeared, move, and multiplying. It looks so visual and fun to play with. But there's one fatal weakness from this trick. What is that black stick came from and why the diamonds suddenly appear? A lack of justification. People who saw this trick, they were gonna feel suspicious by looking down the weird acrylic stick. So here's my solution. We actually recreated it in the form of a necklace. Check this out. Making the jam appear from the stick is now explainable. From the start of the trick, you can casually hand out the whole necklace to the audience and feel them the design of the pedal is not fancy at all. And then after the whole trick is done, you can examine the brand new jewel pendant. And now that looks better. Not just an everyday carry. This is gonna be your daily secret weapon.